MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. My name's Dean Ashton, and this afternoon we're going to take a look at our 2018 Sea Ray 350 SLX outboard. Start by taking a look at the profile of the boat. We did option this boat out with the black hull sides and tan gel stripe. It has a nice big hard top on it. As we make our way back to the way we've powered this boat, we've optioned it out with triple Mercury 300 horsepower Verados with joystick piloting, and we've done them in the optional white paint. One really nice feature about this boat is the aft seating. You have a nice transom seat with backrest and fold up behind the leg support. Making our way into the cockpit of the boat. This boat is equipped with the electric retractable sunshade that will come all the way out and give you some shade over this aft seat. In the cockpit, we've optioned the boat out with the electric grill with inverter. The 350 SLX has tremendous cockpit seating. Nice big wraparound seat, port side companion seat that rotates to tie these two areas in together. We have an electric high-low table. In the summer kitchen space, we have a freshwater sink, stainless steel refrigerator, and designated trash storage. The hardtop is equipped with the opening canvas section to give you some natural light. We've also optioned this boat out with the blue LED package. They have a nice LED light that runs around the hardtop, the summer kitchen, the stairs, and underneath the seating throughout the boat. You do have a ski locker in the floor. And we've upgraded the interior carpet to the Infinity woven carpet liner. As we make our way forward, you have a head compartment on the port side. Double wide helm seat, two Raymarine screens, one which will give you vessel control and allow you to operate all of your lighting and features of the boat. The other one can be designated for a GPS, engine functions, depth finder. You have your vessel view system. All the Mercury Verados are digital throttle and shift. As I mentioned earlier, this boat is equipped with joystick piloting, and that also gives you the skyhook feature. Making our way up to the bow of the boat, you have a nice storage compartment underneath the helm. Bow block-off door. Two real nice full-length loungers up in the bow of the boat. It can also be used as wraparound seating, and you do have bow table up in the bow. This boat is equipped with a remote spotlight and a windlass anchor. That's a real quick look at our 2018 350 SLX outboard. If you'd like to see this boat in person, stop down to MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Ask for me, Dean Ashton. I'd be happy to help you out.